What did you just say? Work for a living? What about this, motherfucker? Is that work for a living? Huh? Was it work for a living when I had to fucking carry my best friend's legs under this arm? And the rest of them under this arm? I saw a fucking baby with its fucking head cut off. I saw a fucking pile of feet in the middle of the street, and I had to clean it up. That's not work. I gave my fucking life for this country. What's it ever done for me? Huh? What's it ever fucking done for me?